Hello viewers, welcome. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you the magnificent golden eagle. This magnificent bird is widespread in the wilder country of North America, Europe and Asia. About the same size as the bald eagle, the golden is less of a scavenger and more of a predator, regularly taking prey up to the size of foxes and cranes. The golden eagle was important to many Native American tribes who admired the eagle's courage and strength, and who ascribed mystical powers to the bird and even to its feathers. Mostly prey on small mammals, typically preys on mammals ranging in size from ground squirrels up to prairie dogs, marmots, and jackrabbits. May take smaller rodents or larger animals such as foxes, young pronghorns, or young deer, or on occasion also eats birds, mostly game birds such as grouse, but rarely birds as large as cranes or as small as sparrows. Also some snakes, lizards, large insects will feed on carrion, including dead fish. The golden eagle is mostly dark brownish in color with a golden nape, black bands and the tail that are visible in flight, and a relatively small head. Its length is 30 inch. Golden eagles inhabit mountains, plains, and foothills. Golden eagles forage by soaring in search of prey or by observing from a perch. Golden eagles are resident across much of the western US and Canada, and also breed north through Alaska. They winter somewhat farther east than they breed. The population is declining slowly over much of its range. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.